Welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week. I am Greg with AutoMobility Store, and today I'm wanting to highlight the Pride Go-Go Sport 4-wheel scooter by Pride Mobility. It's the S74 model. Offers you a 325-pound weight capacity, which is amazing, seeing that you can take it apart into 5 little pieces, put them into your trunk, assemble them. I can pretty much assemble these now and disassemble them in about 30 seconds, but that's years of practice. But once you get the hang of it, these things come apart and are put back together pretty easily. You can get top speed about 4.7 miles per hour. Doesn't sound too fast, but on these little guys, it's fast enough for sure. And the best part, with the larger 18 amp hour battery pack that comes standard with the scooter, you're gonna get about 14.5 miles per charge. That might not sound like a lot, but 14.5 miles, that'll take all day. That takes a long while to hit that. So if you are looking for a scooter, it's got a nice larger weight capacity, something you can easily put into the back of your trunk to travel with, put it back together. You can add a basket to the back of it, go shopping. The S74 Pride Go-Go Sport 4-wheel travel scooter by Pride Mobility might be the way to go. Thank you so much, and for more details, call AutoMobility Store 800-431-3183.